Here, 2010 AP Micro FRQ number 1. This looks like we're doing perfect competition. Assume that Farmer Roy is making zero economic profits in the short run. Draw a side-by-side graph of the corn market and Farmer Roy showing the price, the quantity, PM1, QM1, and the quantity for the firm, FQF1. So, side-by-side graphs, perfectly competitive, supply, demand. Here's your market. Could be called your industry. Just know that. They could call it industry too. Don't be confused. Here's my firm, Farmer Roy. Obviously, we know perfectly competitive. They're price takers, so the price of the firm is the same as the price of the market. This is our Mr. DARP, marginal revenue, demand, average revenue, and price, marginal cost. To be in long run equilibrium, our ATC just touches through that point of profit max, showing our quantity there. So we now are in long run equilibrium. This is PM1, this is QM1, this would be QF1. I think we're good. For Farmer Roy, is the demand perfectly elastic, perfectly inelastic, relatively inelastic, or unit elastic? Obviously, for Farmer Roy, the firm has a perfectly elastic. Demand is perfectly elastic. And we can just say he can sell all he wants at that price. All right. C, corn can be used as an input in the production of ethanol. The demand for ethanol has significantly increased. Show the on your graph in part A the effect of the increase in demand for ethanol on the market price and quantity of corn in the short run, labeling it QMPM2. So we know demand has increased. We know that jacks up the price here. We have a new Mr. DARP because we have a new price. We have to find first our profit max, which is where marginal revenue equals marginal cost. We'll call that QF2. PM2, maybe. QM2. Can we do that? Show on your graph the effect of an increase in demand on Farmer Roy's quantity. We did that. That's Farmer Roy right there. How does the average total cost for Farmer Roy QF2 compare with PM2? Well, QF2, the quantity and the average total cost compared with PM2. I would say the ATC is below, right? So we could say we could either say PM2 is greater than the ATC. Could we say that? Yeah. The PM2 is greater than ATC. We can see that. They're just asking, are we making profits? And they're asking it in a very strange way. So we would say the average total cost is below PM2, something like that. Corn is also used in the input in the production of cereal. What is the effect of the increased demand for ethanol and equilibrium price in the cereal market? Explain. So here we have cereal. And we know that corn is an input to cereal. So if input costs go up, right, wouldn't we have planned? It should make sense that there would be less supply of cereal as the cost of corn goes up. So what is the effect of the increased demand for ethanol on the equilibrium price and quantity in the cereal market? We could simply say that price would increase and quantity would go down in the cereal market. That should make sense, right? Obviously, if the input price, the corn price goes up, they're going to make less cereal. All right, guys, I think that's it. Usually they would have us show the profit here. They asked us in a very strange way, and we would have just gone straight to the left and shown that area of profit. All right, take care, be safe.